Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn more about searching with keywords and how to do advanced search. So first we'll move on to search icon and we can select view all issues and we can, let's say it is on basic and we are going for advanced. So we select this and we can ignore this thing and we can start now. Let's say I want to use an operator and I'm using in an organization and I want to check who are, let's suppose that staff is working in organization. So I want to see that what are the issues are assigned to staff. So I can say that assignee. I can also go with project for a particular project equals to, and I can select a project name which I want. Now let me skip that part and just do directly about all the projects. So if I want to search for the issues which are assigned to staff and all the projects, I will do assignee. I just press the space bar and I can select N, or I can also use was to N. I can type my name, staff. Now you can see that something is wrong. So that's why syntax, something is wrong in my syntax of this JIRA query language. That's why it is showing a wrong icon. So for fixing it, let me close the bracket. So now I will search. So it is giving me all the issues which are assigned to staff. Now let us say I can also search for assignee not in staff. Let me search for this. Let me close, and it will now provide me all the issues which are not assigned to staff. So this is how we can use the operators. We can also use like assignee was staff, and we can use on to for, let's say, assignee was staff on a particular end of day, end of month. We can use, as right now we are not having that data, so we will not use it, but it was like we can select end of month and we can type the month. So this is how we can use the keyword in the searching area for doing advanced search. In next session, we will talk more in depth about using with functions. Hope to see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.